Hello, my stamping friends. My name is Holly Peterson, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Today we're going to make this beautiful card using gold foil and the Golden Glow in color. It's one of the new in colors this year from Stampin' Up! Our supplies are kind of pretty minimal for this card. We have Golden Glow cardstock, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We have basic white, 4 by 5 1/4, and we'll need 2 of those. One of them is embossed with the eyelet embossing folder, and it is on the last chance list for $8. So we have 2 of those. And then we have gold foil that we cut out these leaves that measures 2 1/4 by 1 3/4. Bloom Boutique Designers Series paper, 1 3/4 by 1 3/4, and you'll need 3 of those, and they're cut with the 4th largest stylish shaped square. So I have 3 of those. And then we'll have gold foil, and I just turned this one over so that I didn't put my adhesive sticky stuff on the foil side. But you'll need 3 that measure 2 1/4 by 2 1/4, and they're cut with the 3rd largest stylish shapes. Okay. The supplies I'm using, of course, is the eyelet 3D embossing folder, stylish shaped dies, the Boutique Blossoms bundle, and that's where the little flowers came from. And then there's the stamp set. And then for the greeting, I'm using scallop blooms for this happy birthday. Okay. Go ahead and fold our card base in half. And then our embossed layer just goes on top of the card base. I think my liquid glue is almost out. Let me grab a different one. I think this one has some in it. That just gets centered on the card base. And then we're going to just adhere the designer paper squares to the gold foil squares. I don't think I told you what this designer paper was called. I think let's see, it's called, I've used it a lot lately. You'd think I'd remember. Bloom Boutique Designer Series paper. And it highlights all of the new in colors this year from Stampin' Up. Okay, we have those on. So 2 of them, I'm just eyeballing it, but if you wanted to measure, you certainly could. I'm just going to eyeball it. And I'm going to put the one point at the top in the middle and the other point on another one at the bottom in the middle. We'll see how well I got that in the middle there. Then this one is going to get popped up, and then it's going to just go in the middle. So we've got some dimensionals here. I think I'll go ahead and put 4 on there. I'm not going to press that down too hard just yet. I'm going to take the gold leaf that has the 3 leaves on it, put a little liquid glue on it, and then just tuck it. Oh, I think I tucked it under this flower. I'm just going to put it right here for now. We'll make that work. Set that aside for a minute. Let me grab some Scotch paper here. And these flowers, I just added a little bit of color to them with the Golden Glow. And I didn't buy a full ink pad, so I'm just using a spot for my Golden Glow. And I'm just going to lightly add some color to these flowers. While we've got the ink out, I'm going to do the inside. And I'm just going to put a light layer of ink in the middle there. And I did not do my envelope when I did my sample card. So let's go ahead and do the same thing on the envelope. Oh, that one got a little bit dirty there. We'll make it work. Okay, that's it for blending. We'll bring our card back in. This flower is just going to go here, and that's going to go flat. And I'm going to use a small dimensional. Let me grab some. then I'm going to put it underneath this big leaf. And then these flowers are going to get a dimensional on the back of them, just in the center. Probably shouldn't lay that on my workstation like that. We're going to just tuck those in here. And then these little leaves will be adhered with some liquid glue. Like that. And then for these two centers, I used the in color dots. With my class, I ran out of the small golden glow ones, so I have one left. We'll put one here. And then I'm going to take my dark blends, golden glow blends, and I'm going to color one of the barely blush ones. We'll let that dry for a minute. And then we're going to work on the rest of the inside here. So I have my happy birthday stamp. And we're going to ink that up with golden glow. And then I have these two little flowers. They're two-step stamping. The little outline image, I'm going to do full strength. And I'm going to put some flowers on our envelopes as well. And with sponging, I almost really don't even need to do the second stamp. I'll show you on the inside how I did that. So we'll take the inside layer, stamp off, and then stamp it. Okay. This can be put on the inside of our card. I had one of my gals at class turn this into an anniversary card. It was really nice. Okay, this should be dry. So then I'm going to take this gem that we colored this dot and put it on that flower. There we have a quick, simple birthday card using Golden Glow, the new Golden Glow color. I appreciate you watching my video today. If you've liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.